What? What makes you feel relaxed? What makes you feel relaxed? I feel relaxed when I listen to music. I feel relaxed when I listen to music. Where? Where do you feel most comfortable? Where do you feel most comfortable? I feel most comfortable in a coffee shop. I feel most comfortable in a coffee shop. Which? Which day do you enjoy more? Which day do you enjoy more? I enjoy weekends more. I enjoy weekends more. Who? Who do you trust the most? Who do you trust the most? I trust my parents the most. I trust my parents the most. How? How do you improve your English? How do you improve your English? I practice every day. I practice every day. Why? Why do you like this activity? Why do you like this activity? I like it because it is fun. I like it because it is fun. How long? How long do you study at night? How long do you study at night? I study for 1 hour. I study for 1 hour. How many? How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? I have a few good friends. I have a few good friends. How much? How much water do you drink daily? How much water do you drink daily? I drink 2 liters. I drink 2 liters. How often? How often do you go to the dentist? How often do you go to the dentist? I go to the dentist once a year. I go to the dentist once a year. What? What do you enjoy doing alone? What do you enjoy doing alone? I enjoy reading alone. I enjoy reading alone. Where? Where do you spend your free time? Where do you spend your free time? I spend it at home. I spend it at home. Which? Which food do you like the most? Which food do you like the most? I like pizza the most. I like pizza the most. Who? Who do you spend time with? Who do you spend time with? I spend time with my friends. I spend time with my friends. How? How do you stay healthy? How do you stay healthy? I exercise regularly. I exercise regularly. Why? Why do you wake up early? Why do you wake up early? I wake up early for work. I wake up early for work. How long? How long do you sleep every day? How long do you sleep every day? I sleep for 7 hours. I sleep for 7 hours. How many? How many hours do you work daily? How many hours do you work daily? I work 8 hours. I work 8 hours. How much? How much coffee do you drink? How much coffee do you drink? I drink 1 cup. I drink 1 cup. How often? How often do you go outside? How often do you go outside? I go outside every day. I go outside every day. What? What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? I usually practice music. I usually practice music. Where? Where do you go when you need quiet? Where do you go when you need quiet? I go to my room. I go to my room. Which? Which hobby do you prefer? Which hobby do you prefer? I prefer gardening. I prefer gardening. Who? Who inspires you the most? Who inspires you the most? My teacher inspires me. My teacher inspires me. How? How do you spend your evening? How do you spend your evening? I take a yoga class in the evening. I take a yoga class in the evening. Why? Why do you enjoy learning English? Why do you enjoy learning English? I enjoy it because it is useful. I enjoy it because it is useful. How long? How long do you use your phone? How long do you use your phone? I use my phone for 1 hour a day. I use my phone for 1 hour a day. How many? How many meals do you eat each day? How many meals do you eat each day? I usually eat 3 meals a day. I usually eat 3 meals a day. How much? How much free time do you have? How much free time do you have? I don't have much free time. I don't have much free time. How often? How often do you watch YouTube? How often do you watch YouTube? I watch YouTube every evening. I watch YouTube every evening.